Welcome to Dataverse Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about number function. Number function take input number and return output to number. We will learn these all function in this video: round, trunk, cell, float, mode. We will learn all these function in detail in this video with example. Okay. Before going forward, please like this video and subscribe this channel if you like this video content. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snowsite web UI. So let us start with round function. Round function in Snowflake is used to round numeric value to a specific number of decimal place. Here is the syntax. Use round and give input to number, and this is the decimal place. What number do you want to take after decimal place? Okay. So let us start with example. First, let us execute this statement. Here we do not specify second parameter, so it's round to whole number. Here one rule: if a number is greater than or equal to 5, then it's increment one value to left side. Okay, here we increase 1. Here is the result. Here is 5, so we 1 plus to 1 digit here after that. Okay, now let us understand second example. Here we put second parameter 1, so it's round to 1 decimal place. Here is after 1 decimal place, here is 8, so it's increment to 1 value after 1 digit. So here 8 add to 1 in 4 decimal place. Okay, so if I execute this statement, you can see the result here 13.5, 1 decimal place after 1 digit, because here we specify only 1 digit. Okay, so let us execute this statement. You can see here we specify 1 second parameter after comma, so it's become 12.5. Here is the second digit is equal to 5, so it's increment one value to left side. Here specify 2, so after decimal place we take 2 digit and round off to 2 digit. Okay, you can see here result for this example. Okay, now let us understand this example. Here 3 is less than 5, so no increment value happen after 2 digit. If here is 5 or greater than 5, then 4.50. okay, because we put here 2, so here is after decimal place 2 digit. Okay, now let us understand this example. If I want to 1 decimal place, so here output is 2 decimal place. Okay, you can see here for this example. Okay, now let us understand this example. We here take -1. -1 means after decimal place we count left side 1, 2. Okay, and here put -1 second parameter. So if I execute this statement, then let's understand this. Here 7 is greater than 5, so it's increase one value to left side, so it's become 60. Okay, now let us understand second example. Here also you can see here the 5 and 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so it's increase one value to left. Negative means after we count decimal point to left side. You can see this example also here 700 or 666, because it's increase one value to left side after 2 digit. You can see here it's become 1000, because 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so it's increase value to left. Here if I execute this statement, you can see here 0, because after 3 digit 1 2 3, third digit is less than 5, so it's down, no increment value, so it's become 0. Okay, 1 2 3, third digit is 5. If 8 become 4, 4 also less than 5, so it's become 0. Okay, if I execute this statement, then after 2 digit it's become 0 0, down, and here result is 1200. We can use a round function in query also. Here we are selecting customer key account balance and we apply round function to account balance and put comma 1, because I want to take one digit after decimal place. So we use round function and round to one decimal place. If I execute this statement, you can see the result here. Account balance we round to one decimal place. I think you understood this round function. We take more than enough example to understand this round function. Okay, let's move to truncate function. Truncate function in Snowflake is used to truncate a numeric value to a specific number of decimal place. Syntax is simple. We apply truncate function and here we input number and what number do you want to take after decimal place. Okay, if not specify, it truncate to whole number. Okay, let us understand why. Example, we execute this example, you see the result here. We truncate to 12 because we do not specify second parameter after comma. If I specify second parameter, here apply 2, so it's take only 2 digit after decimal place. We can also use negative value in truncate function. Here same as round function, we count after decimal place to left side. Okay, 1 2 800 because it's truncate to digit. It's 7 or 8 become 0 0 and here 8. Okay, let us understand this example. Here 9900 because it's truncate 2 digit after decimal place to left side. Here truncate 3 digit. Okay, no digit after 3, so it's become 0. Okay, now let us understand truncate function using query. Here we selecting customer key account balance, we apply truncate function to account balance and we truncate one digit. So if I execute this statement, you can see here we truncate to one digit after decimal place. Okay, now let us understand shell function. Shell function in Snowflake is used to round up a numeric value to nearest integer greater than or equal to input value. Here if I execute this statement, it's become round up to nearest integer, means no decimal value, only integer value. If I execute this statement, you can see here any value after 0, it's become whole number and increase one value. Any value after decimal, it's become whole number. If do not any decimal place, it's same as integer. We can use shell function in query also. Here 711 become 712. We remove decimal and become decimal data type to become integer data type. Okay, now let us understand float function. Float function is Snowflake used to round down a numeric value to nearest integer less than or equal to input value. Syntax is here float input number. Let us understand by example. If I execute this statement, you can see here round down to nearest integer. Okay, if I execute this statement, here 14.001 become 14. We can use float function in query also. Here we apply float function in account balance, so it's round down to nearest integer. Now let us understand mode function. Mode function is used to calculate a remainder. Here is the syntax: dividend and divisor. The dividend is the number to be divided and divisor is number by which the dividend is divided. Okay, here we use mode function. We divide 7 by 5, so remainder is 2, so its output is 2. If I execute this statement, you can see here 6 divided by 2, so its remainder is 0. Here 1200 divided by 60, so its remainder is 0. Okay, mode function is often used to know if the number is odd or even by dividing by 2. So if I want to check this number is odd or even, if I divide by 2 mode number and after comma 2, then it's written 0, so it is even number. If I execute this statement, here remainder is 1, so it is odd number. We can use mode function in also in query. So we apply mode function in account balance and divide by 5, so it's written remainder in result set. That's all about in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video content, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.